Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, especially to stocks, to gaming company stocks. So guys, today we're talking about CD Projekt again, and I'm trying not to make this video too long, but I know that you actually enjoy my CD Projekt videos, so I see it if I'm looking here on my Gaming Fin YouTube channel overview. There I see that the CD Projekt videos get the most views, so that's actually funny because I also have some very interesting videos like about digital pros from yesterday. So without further ado, let's jump back to the CD Projekt chart. So let's start with the chart, and then we're going through some interesting developments, some interesting news that we recently got. So, and also just here a little disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor myself, a YouTuber. I'm invested in CD Projekt. I'm also massively down, so don't buy anything I'm talking here about. So you will lose all your money. Investing is high risk. Blah 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 blah. You know the story, guys. So don't invest in CD Projekt. It's definitely a risky stock. Woo, guys! So. So the last two ticks were actually positive for now, so in CD Projekt, so that's very interesting. So what do you think? So today's CD Projekt is 2.55% up, so that's actually pretty nice, but the Warsaw stock market also closed before we have seen this massive downturn today in let's go here and see the heat map, the massive downturn in some of the tech stocks. So therefore probably they would also go a little bit more down today if they would trade until 10 p.m. European time, or I think it's 4 p.m. then in New York. So where are we now? So but overall I would say, guys, so I was saying in previous videos, so this is a possibility that we can create some support line or some resistance line to the downside at this value, at this price, around about 85 to 95 zloty. So as it seems, there could be something in the making. So 2 ticks already on the 5-year chart. That's pretty nice. But to be honest, I can't tell you now this is going to be confirmed, obviously, because I don't have the crystal ball myself. But what I can tell you that it's a lot of this extreme negativity might getting out of CD Projekt, so that's very important. So we're half year through, and still 6 more months of this terrible stock market year, and then we also hope to see actually better times also for gaming companies in general. So, but guys, I'm still not excluding that we can see the 80 zlotys and even the 60 zlotys. So I would say around the 60 zlotys there's a much stronger support and resistance to the downside. So everything is possible, to be honest, here at this point. So no one can really tell you. And I know you don't want to hear this anyways from me. So also I'm a long-term investor, so I'm a long-term backholder in CD Projekt, obviously, like most people that watching this video. But this doesn't mean that I don't believe in the company. I overall like the company, and I think that we're coming back. Are we seeing the 450 zlotys quickly? I don't think so, but we definitely see again the 220 zlotys in the next year. So therefore, it's always a possibility to buy some more and to average down, guys. So let's go quickly here to CD Projekt main investor relation page. You see today at 10 a.m. In Warsaw time there was the ordinary general meeting for shareholders, so I got an invitation. Obviously I didn't go, so here that's the meeting, what we can see now. So probably, I think I clicked on the YouTube video there. So I'm going to check this out a little bit later to see if there's some interesting news. So I'm not going to cover this now. I will make an extra video if this is necessary, because this just started today, and I think it's possibly also in Polish. So, and I don't speak Polish. So current reports. Yeah, current reports, check all those reports, then you come, then you're going to find actually a Goldman Sachs notification. So I'm talking about this a little bit later. But what was the top story in the recent days was Cyberpunk 2077 external QA team allegedly misled CD Projekt over its experience. Or external QA team allegedly misled CD Projekt over Cyberpunk 2077. or Cyberpunk 2077 developer reportedly refuted claims surrounding disrupted bug fixing pipeline. So what's going on there? So for this, I would recommend you guys to go to What Made Cyberpunk 2077 Fail, Quantic Lab it's called, by Upper Echelon Gamer. So I can't verify this. I don't know if this is true. So the person who made this video thinks he has some information on this. So I don't wanna have an opinion on this, to be honest. So since I cannot verify this, but a lot of news articles and news outlets are talking about this. So is this going to have an impact on the stock, guys? I don't think this had any impact on the stock. So probably would have a more major impact on the stock today is that we on the 4th of July, I think we're going to get actually some dividends. So here we go, 4th of July dividends after generally assembly today, and then on the 4th of July, or the ordinary general meeting, 4th of July, then dividends. So probably people buying up the stock up to the dividend date, or that's also a possibility. So because people want to have their dividend, guys. I mean, this makes sense. And after this, then when the dividend gets paid, the ex-dividend day, the stock will fall again. So always brace yourself for this. Always check out for the stocks you own when the dividend time will be. And then current report here, Goldman Sachs notification. Goldman Sachs, this is a notification actually here from on the 25th of June. So what you see, Goldman Sachs is holding a lot of swaps, financial instruments, so derivatives, and with those they have voting rights, and there you see they have actually massive voting rights of 1.67% securities lending. So I think since it's a swap, so it's probably they were actually lending those. They were lending for themselves the security, so therefore they have this type of financial instrument called a swap. So if you want to know what a swap is, go maybe to Investopedia Introduction to Swaps. But I think if I understood this correctly, but you can also correct me here, it's that they were actually lending those, and probably they're lending them also to use them to short. So but at one point this might then end. But you see how many percent, 1.67%. If this is now 1.67% is shorted, let's say like this, then I think this is not that bad. Because if I look now in the CD Projekt shareholder structure, I see actually, guys, look, we see that I think that's the CEO, or those are Pietro, I think is the CEO. So, but some of those founders have like 12-13%, like 10, 30, 6, 80, 4% then of the capital, and 66% is in free float. So I don't think this has a major impact. So probably today, the reason today is less less technical orientated. Probably it's more orientated due to the dividend, let's be honest here. But we can see there's a possibility that we're going to see here at this range down to 60 zlotys that it might stop falling at one point though. But of course, no one has the crystal ball, no one can tell you. And yeah, check out this YouTube video, What Made Cyberpunk 2077 Fail, Quantic Lab. This might be in your interest to get more information about this. Alright guys, so with that, I'm leaving it here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, so you get some food for thought, some ideas where you can also go a little bit more deeper. And then I'm going to check out myself now this ordinary meeting, and see if I can find some more information, and then I will keep you posted, my friend. Thank you very much. See you the next time. So now he's talking. Do we hear anything? No, I have it turned off. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.